Livescribe, a Christmas present I got this year. I'm really just going to unbox it today and show you the contents, and then a later video will be produced with a demo and really my comments on the product. So here's the packaging. It's a Livescribe, a 4GB Pulse Smart Pen. Not sure if you can pick it up properly, but it's quite a big chunky pen, and we'll compare it in a bit when I open it up. So let's go ahead and open the packaging. So quite a nice compact box. It's got a lot of sort of information on the outside how you can use it. What I have found out about the Livescribe is that you can actually use it on Mac and PC, which is brilliant, because I predominantly use Mac at home. So you can see the casing here, encased in a plastic cover, keep it nice and safe. And inside you get a getting started guide, a small booklet which we'll read through later, tips and tricks guide, just a small pamphlet, and there's a starter notebook. I believe this starter notebook isn't numbered like all the other books that you buy, so it's just a general book, and you probably won't be able to pick it up on the video, but when you look at it closely, there are thousands and thousands of little dots across the page, and then there's controls along the bottom. Okay, so that's the notebook. You get the earphones, which also have a 3D mic built in, one spare ink cartridge, I believe the colour is blue, a USB dock. This is where you dock and charge the pen, and you dock it with some software that you actually can sync the contents of the pen, which we'll see at a later date. A hard, or say not really that hard, a plastic sleeve to protect the pen. Looks fairly sturdy, keep it safe in the briefcase. And the pen itself. Now the pen itself, it isn't too heavy. It's metal in construction, a nice LED screen there, a mic built in, jack port at the top. You may not be able to pick it up clearly, but just in there is an infrared sensor or camera, and then the nib there, and at the back there, this is where you dock it into the USB. So they're the contents of the case. In addition, obviously you get one starter book in there. In addition, I also received a flip notepad pack, which are notepad booklets with the same controls and everything inside, and you can actually use these with a pen, and also some larger moleskin style booklets would be great for taking meeting notes on. So I'll just open them to show you. Each book is numbered 1 through 8, so it has a unique reference of dots which the pen actually reads. If you look at the front of this this booklet, it's got a tab here. This is how you initialize and start using a book. Okay, so they are sort of very moleskin like, but with that same sort of dotted paper inside. Just to do a comparison, as I said earlier, here's the Livescribe pen, and here's a standard pen. So you can see the sort of the height of the pen isn't too far off, but it's probably twice the thickness of a standard pen. And here's a standard propelling pencil, and you can see the dimensions against that. So that was the unboxing. I'm going to go away and learn how to use the pen and sort of give you some feedback on that shortly. Thank you.